Hello, YouTube and Discord and everyone. I already did my pod unboxing, but this showed up, Elise Walker, and I had to grab it. They were size fitty pods. Oh, look at this! She done wrapped it and everything. And I just wanted to actually talk a little bit because I didn't document all of my recent purchases. Yeah, Rick Owens pods in black, size fitty. These were on sale, so I had to grab them. Very curious as to whether I actually got TE. Nice wrapping. Yeah, I think I got... These seem to be... Are these actually fitty? Are these fitty? These are dirt. These are dirt pods. Damn, bro. So they went way more, about 50 cents off. Oops, I gave away how much. Ow. Just gave up how much I paid. Ow! I'm jabbing myself with this friggin'. Ow! Fuck, I did 3 fucking times in a row. Yeah, I've been out. I ate well and just not paying attention to what I'm doing. Alright, so I mean, these seem to be TE. A little finer composition than TE. Was it? Oh, yeah, this is 100% cotton, so these are different. I'm just gonna pop these some bitches on and see how they fit. Oh, speaking of pods and sales and all that, I grabbed these guys off of Glammood because everyone I know is copping off of Glammood, so I got the gloves, and then I got these. These are size 52, a little bit big, but doesn't really matter because they're drawstring. This is 50% acetate, 50% viscose. These are fine. I wear them. Anyways, you buy from these guys, you buy from Glammood, you get you a Rick Owens hanger. You buy from the actual Rick Owens store and you don't get a hanger. You buy current season pods. But anyway, I'm gonna pop these pods on. Oh. This is a rather disjointed unboxing video. I also successfully, I'm going to go ahead and call this success. I successfully washed a delicate Rick shirt and didn't ruin it. Still got its nice papery thinness. It's a little damp, so I should just lay it out and not bother it while it's evaporating. I don't think I wrecked it because I was afraid to take that to the. I think I was rightfully afraid to take it to. Let me pop these socks off. To take it to the dry cleaners because. You know, the dry cleaners, you're like, oh yeah, it was, it's still a little bit wrinkled, but we mostly ironed it all out for you. I've always maintained that if you're afraid to fuck up your own clothes, the dry cleaners will be happy to do it for you. All right, let me jump into these pods, see how they fit and all that. Because size 52 was fine, a little bit baggier than I would have liked. Size 48. Was constricting my gait a little bit, and you know what? This is perfect. Size 48 eventually broke in. These aren't going to have to break in. These, I think this is, I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the 110% correct. I mean, 48 is perfectly wearable. It gives me that weird ass, you know, meggings, shorts. In fact, I think I'm going to pop them socks back on. Actually, no, I'm not going because I have to sit in a chair to put the motherfucking geo baskets on. Or what? Yeah. Actually, no, not that do this. I'll put my Drkshdw vegans on. Yeah, we're up. It's fucking stunt time. Yeah, I like these because they're green. So now, I think I'm like doing what Rick would say that you should do, which is like I have 3 pairs of pod shorts, and it's pretty much the same thing. So it's like less hassle with dressing, you know, because I like the look that I have going on, so I just kind of reinforce it. Wardrobe redundancy is powerful and often overlooked, and there's something about the minimalistic and frankly fetishistic appeal of the Rick wear that actually lends itself to buying multiple versions of the same thing. So this ain't bad. Now I have an issue like my ankles. I have big feet and skinny ankles, so I can't. The GeoBaskets look like they're falling off my feet, even though they're a perfect fit. So this is all right. I might rock this tomorrow. I might rock. Oh yeah, I might. I think I might just do the sweatpants tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, that's an unboxing. Stabbed myself 3 times with the safety pin like a fucking idiot. So more Rick. Boom.